Today, we're diving into the world of statistical visualization in Google Sheets. Error bars are essential for understanding the variability in your data points. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to add error bars to your charts. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Google Sheets document. If you're working with an existing sheet, great. If not, create a new one by clicking the colorful icon labeled blank or choose from a template. Step 2. Create a chart using your data. Select the data range you want to visualize and go to the Insert menu at the top. Choose the type of chart you prefer, line chart, bar chart, scatter plot, etc. Step 3. Once your chart is ready, click on it to select it. You'll see a small chart editor icon, looks like a pencil, in the upper right corner of the chart. Click on it. Step 4. In the sidebar that appears, navigate to the Customize tab. Here, you'll find various options to tweak your chart. Step 5. Scroll down to the Series section. Click on the drop-down next to Error Bars. Choose the type of error bars you want. Standard error shows the standard deviation of your data points. Custom error bars allows you to specify custom values for each data point. Step 6. Adjust the error bar settings. You can choose to display them vertically, horizontally, or both. Set the cap width and style according to your preference. Step 7. Click Apply to see the error bars on your chart. Voila! You've just added error bars to your data visualization. Congratulations! You're now equipped to create more informative charts in Google Sheets. Stay curious and keep exploring.